Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about different applications of database management system. Database management systems are used at all places, be it a big organization or a small organization. All these organizations require databases. When they require databases, they need softwares to manage this database. So the database management systems are used in different fields. However, different organizations or different companies may be using different type of database management system. So let us have a look at these applications. Railway reservation, credit card transactions, university and colleges, banking, library management, social media sites. So these are the different applications of database management systems. The database management systems is used in all these places. Let us see each one of them a little bit in detail. First one, railway reservation systems. When we are talking about railway reservation systems, in that case, the details about the train, the starting point, the ending point, how many tickets are being, how many seats are available, how many seats are occupied, all these details will be stored in the database. And the database management system will help us to retrieve these details. So database is required to keep record of ticket booking, train's departure, arrival status, and so on and so many things. The next one is library management system. Now there are various books which are available in the library. It is difficult for a librarian to keep a track of which book is written by which author, who has issued that book, when is that book going to be available in the back in the library, or how many copies of a book do we have. So for all this work, there are database management systems to help the librarian to keep track of which books are issued, which books are in the shelf. So there are thousands of books in the library, so it is difficult to keep a record of all these books in a copy or a register. It becomes very difficult to manually maintain all the records. DBMS is used to maintain all the information related to book issue dates, name of the author, and availability of the book. So all this information is going to help a person in issuing a book. Coming to the next application, which is banking. We all make transactions, online transactions. Now, all these online transactions are possible because of the database management system. It is because of the database management system, our data, that is our account number, then apart from account number, our login details, the balance that we have in our account, for our account or in other customers' accounts as well. And they can relate from one bank to another so that we can make safe transactions. So this is again possible because of the database management system. People make thousands of transactions on daily basis and without even having to go on the bank. So the transactions are done online. This is possible because of the database management system that manages all the bank transactions. The bank is keeping a record who is making which transaction, the details about the transactions are maintained, and the account balances are going to be credited or debited accordingly. The next one is universities and colleges. Now there are various universities which are present, and all these universities have different courses. So the universities need to maintain record of what all department a university has, what all courses they have, or what is the eligibility of the courses, what is the fees of the course, what is the registration, and all sorts of details. All these details will be again entered in the database. Apart from the details of the course, Universities and colleges also need to maintain database about the students. How many students have registered for which course, then what is the personal details of the students, then the marks scored by the students. So for all this, they will need databases, and hence they will need database management systems for managing the data. So examinations are done online today, and universities and colleges have to maintain the recordings through database management system. Students' registration details, results, course, grades, all the information that is related to the university is stored in the database. Coming to the next application, which is credit card transactions. Most of the people are using credit cards to make the transactions. So the issue of the credit card, the details about the credit card, for example, the name of the person, the CVV number matching the credit card number, all these details, all these records are stored again in some table. And the database management system helps to make these transactions secure. So, carrying out these secure transactions. So, the database management systems helps in carrying out these secure transactions, wherein all the essential details are verified and only a certified user can make those transactions. So, purchase of credit cards and all other transaction details are possible only because of the DBMS. The important information are secured through DBMS. Now, database management system has a very good security feature wherein the data that is stored is secured from another people. Coming to the last application, which is social media sites. Everyone these days uses some or the other social media sites. Facebook, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram, and many other. Now let's take for example a Facebook. Now what happens in Facebook is a person's details like the login ID, the passwords, the friend list, the post. So all these kind of things will be recorded, and similarly when a person is logging in, on the wall of that login ID, it is going to show posts which are related to the friends. It will show the post which you mostly like. It will show the post from the groups that you are a part of. Okay, so all this is happening because there is a database which is helping them to know who are your friends, what are your liked videos, what are your stories that you're posting, and all the other related details. So this is how social media sites are also making use of DBMS. So we all are on social media websites to share our views and connect with our friends. Daily, millions of users sign up for these social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+. All the information of the user is stored in the database, and we are able to connect to other people because of this database. Only because of this database wherein we have the details about a person, we can connect to other people. These are the different applications of DBMS. Thank you.